Can Google Stitch actually replace Figma? Both tools can help you create UI designs, but they are built for very different workflows. Let's compare them quickly. What is Google Stitch? Google Stitch is an AI-powered UI design tool that runs natural language prompts into interface designs. Instead of manually creating every screen, you can describe what you want. For example, create a modern dashboard for a project management app, and Stitch can generate the design. Its biggest advantage is speed and AI-assisted creation. What is Figma? Figma is a complete collaborative design platform used for UI design, prototyping, design systems, and product development. It gives you detailed control over layouts, components, typography, colors, interactions, and responsive designs. Figma is also widely used by professional designers and development teams. Stitch versus Figma. So, how do they compare? Ease of use. Stitch has the advantage if you want to generate a design quickly using AI. Figma requires more hands on work, but gives you much more control. AI capabilities. Stitch is designed around AI generation, making it useful for quickly turning ideas into interfaces. Figma also has AI features, but its main strength remains the complete design workflow, customization. Figma wins. You have much deeper control over individual elements, components, prototypes, and design systems. Collaboration. Figma is the stronger choice for professional teams that need real-time collaboration, feedback, prototyping, and developer handoff. Speed. Stitch wins for generating initial concepts quickly, especially when you are starting with just an idea. Can Stitch replace Figma? For most professional designers, not yet. Stitch can be an excellent tool for generating ideas, exploring layouts, and creating a first version of a user interface. But Figma offers a much more complete workflow for refining designs, building design systems, creating advanced prototypes, collaborating with teams, and preparing designs for development. So rather than thinking of Stitch as a Figma replacement, think of it as an AI-powered design accelerator. Final verdict. If you want fast AI-generated UI concepts, choose Google Stitch. If you need professional UI design, collaboration, prototyping, and precise control, Figma is still the better choice. Stitch is a powerful complement to Figma, but it is not a full replacement yet. Which one should you choose? Google Stitch or Figma? Let me know down below in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, sharing the video with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.